Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how can you disable notifications in a Windows 10 PC. So if you also get annoyed by constant notification features of the Windows 10, then there is a simple way to disable them. So for this, what you need to do is go to the search bar or the task bar and type in settings to bring up the settings app. Once the settings app is opened, you need to go to the system options. In the system option, there is a notifications and actions option on the left menu, so click on that. Now, once you're in this notification and actions, there are different ways through which you can disable the notification. If you're uh, annoyed by one particular app's notification, then you can turn that off by scrolling down to this section that says get notifications from these senders. So suppose I'm not very happy with the Microsoft Store notifications, so I'm just going to toggle them off. Rest of the other apps are fine with me, so they are going to send me notifications. The other way is you can turn off the notifications from all of the apps using this option, or you can turn off the notifications like this, like you do not want the notifications on lock screen, or you do not want the notifications to play sounds, just like this. So basically you can play with the different settings to find out the best possible combinations for the notifications you want to turn off as per your choice in your PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.